Here, you're spamming it, fam. You're spamming.
Say what?
You're spam.
Nigga.
Let's check this out. Man's about to make breakfast, eh? Cooking with Neo.
Yeah, eggs, bacon, cereal. Yeah.
Cooking with Dive.
Right. Tech enthusiast.
Okay.
I'll put that.
Now bring.
I like fucking melted ass. Fuck it.
His car got a shower.
They gonna dash it in there.
Yeah, successful night in the tent, fam.
Oh my god, these eggs are not gonna make it.
Nah, they will.
But the ice is actually not melted.
It is a bit.
You might as well swing that, honestly.
Yeah, honestly, swing me one too.
Oh, okay.
Swung it the wrong
Mmm.
What about the
Mmm.
chubby wubby?
But
Wasn't there 3? There was 3 of them.
Well, at least I made room, so
Oh.
let's see.
That man ate it. You keep him that lighter, bro.
Oh yeah, Rafa, you got that later?
Okay. Is that a chubby?
Yeah.
let me know how the flavor is.
I mean, it's cream screen.
Fucking ugly.
Cheers. I didn't see one. There's no one bro about one.
It was like 4.
Okay, gotta find mystery. Cold too, yo. It tastes like medicine.
Yeah, that's what I said. Those ones aren't very good.
Nah.
I said medicine. He's pissed.
Wait, did you have to make the sound effect?
Yeah.
Wait, can you do my bed?
Yo, make up the beds. Vacuum the floor. Second floor.
Actually vacuum upstairs, eh?
Yeah?
You know where upstairs is.
I was only upstairs. Doors locked. Yeah, Jordan, you have your keys on you because the bowls are in your car.
Alright, get this going. Let's do it on Ryan's comb hearts chair.
Okay, chill.
More like move hard.
Okay.
Matty boy.
Yeah, Ron. That's a Matty boy.
Yo, sucks, Matty boy.
Nigga this, nigga that. He calls himself nigga.
You fam, look at us. Front door open. Close that back door. Better watch out for your homie. Oh, I'm in the back of the thing. Man doesn't even bag that.
I'm trying. Alright. Spooners.
That's always insane.
Suck it. Garbage. This garbage.
Yeah, how you open this guy's trunk?
Button. the bun?
Nah, you have to show me. I saw a chat last night, man. They were crying. Mmm.
One arm on sink.
Allied Bass Pro Shop.
Oh.
Zimmy. Oh, cereal, no
So you say that's your pink bag?
Yeah.
Okay, I was like, my man then brought plantain chips. I was like, no, your Ralph knows
Oh,
what
I just know it's
plantain.
beef still. Yeah,
Proper.
You got the Milkies. Can get your Milkies.
Yo, what comes first, the milk or the cereal?
Definitely cereal. I can't lie.
Lie.
I might rinse mine too.
Go ahead. Forks. You know?
Spoons.
You have my spoon, you.
Hey, yo.
Alright, test reveal. We add salt and vinegar after. Mmm.
Mmm.
Her frosted.
Mmm.
Bro, what's about
Thought you should.
Loki get me.
Very good.
Show me elbow.
Shoot, ricocheted off.
look like Gabo.
Huh?
You kind of look like Gabo.
I do. Nah, he's pretty chopped.
I was looking at the comments yesterday. They were saying chop and bog.
Nah, literally chop and
Chop and bog.
Yo, man, like mix and match. Oh!
You onto something.
So no eggs.
How we gonna cook it?
Shit.
So we could just microwave it.
Nice.
Could use water.
Bro, say take a trip to see at the store, see
Okay.
whatever they have.
Ruins the purpose.
That's what I was gonna say. It ruins it.
Okay.
You gotta hunt.
Osmos and bring it here.
Hunt.
You're right, you're right. Okay, so we have to figure it out then.
Still ruins it.
You gotta hunt for all oil.
Instead of milk, you use Mountain Dew.
That's what Lacey does.
I sure Frosted Flakes is better than
Okay, nah, you're ugly.
Canadian.
Better than cinnamon?
Oh, that's better than that?
Yeah, is that what you just
You
said?
gonna have a
No.
TikTok praise party.
what song they gonna play? What song they gonna play?
Fuck. A fucking carnival.
Carnival! Doo, doo.
Go play carnival. What are you
Ryan,
doing?
before I get soggy.
Nah, I will. Okay, no amens are.
It's already soggy, bro. You're bugging.
Okay, it's chilling. No, it's a race.
Not even
Frozen. What is that?
I guarantee they're like 22 max.
Nah, they're 25 for sure. At least 25. Probably 30.
Do it for what?
For 50.
No sugar, fam.
You want to take diabetes? I can't. These Frosted Flakes are like mad.
Oh.
This one go crazy though. The squares.
Yeah.
The squares. With square flakes.
Oh, that's.
just released it. That's literally what I wanted. I don't even know why I didn't look at the box.
I mean, yeah, sausages.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do we have buns or just? Yo, do we have buns or just straight glizzy?
I seen a couple buns back in there.
Let's go scavenge, fam.
Let's do it. Is it unlocked?
No, it's in the trunk. I definitely want these.
Yeah, buns right there. Wait.
Should we bring the marshmallows?
Yeah.
I got enough marshmallows. Holy doly.
Where the freaking? What are you looking for? Where's the freaking? Sausages.
I have them. It's in the cooler.
Yeah, we don't need nothing else.
They're probably still frozen, but
It has to be. They're small. Yeah, there's like 3 left. I'm done with cereal. They're flipping white. Wait, Ryan, how was that?
what?
The one you got?
Try it.
Sorry?
Like it cooked not bad, and it was frozen, and they're not as frozen now, so they'll probably be better. I don't know.
This was definitely the best one.
I'm gonna try it regardless. But yeah, what do we? Oh, you need a stick.
We need a fire.
Oh yeah. We need a fire.
I mean, take the sausages out first. Where they never.
They're right here, and there's 2 right there.
Okay.
And how are these buns?
Out too. I have this bread out as well. Those are.
I actually never understood that.
So,
Man, supposed to buy the same amount of glizzies as buns, but the buns pay first.
well, bro, we had more glizzies than buns.
Key, there's still some glizzies buried in the water. Infinite glizzy glitch. Here, yo, 3 more glizzies.
Yeah, don't open it.
Take them.
Yeah, come on, I'm like, yeah, I should leave Ryan had one. Yeah. Just use that one first.
Yo, man's out of pop. Shit got socked.
Some water or something. Okay. Jesus Christ.
That's it already.
Yeah.
Yo, laugh at this bitch ass.
I want to look at this back here.
Yo, Cinnamon Toast Crunch was fire though. I'm definitely copping that for the future.
So I'm like, bro, that's your